Today we are harvesting corn.
Whoa, look at that.
Another one.
Look at this one right here.
Oh, yeah, I think that one.
I don't think this one's ready yet. Let's give it one more day. Let me get my basil. All right, we're gonna pick corn today. We're gonna pick some corn today. We got one right here, come on. Now, you found out that when the hair is brown, it's time to harvest, correct?
Oh.
All right. Go.
What do you think?
Let's get a close shot. I like corn.
Go ahead, Chuck. Pull that off. Pull this off.
Yeah.
All right, Elijah, you pull one off. Somewhere.
Can I pull?
You pull one off. You pull one off.
Hold the phone.
Come on.
Ayana, you have to move your hand,
I'll pull
Ayana.
this off.
It looks like big.
Then we'll do it again. You pull this off.
Yeah, Caleb could probably destroy the whole
You
thing.
pull that off. You pull this off. Pull this off. You pull one off. You pull one off.
Oh, wait, Ayana, wait. Wait, what? Oh. Whoa!
Four.
I like corn.
Wow!
Who's that? That was the first one that was
No, it was the one in the
in the
middle.
middle right here. That's that.
Amazing
No,
find.
or maybe that's mine all the way on the end. This is corn from.
Our garden.
Hey,
Ready?
Yeah, yank it.
Don't get that dirty.
Oh.
Caleb got the dirty ball.
Put it down, boy. Here, you chuck this.
Yes, this has been
Whoa! You aren't gonna use two hands. Put the hose down so you don't. Yeah, just yeah.
Needs to be
Falling. Oh! That's going down. Oh! Whoa! Caleb, I know you see that.
Hey, Dad, that's mine.
Okay, but I'm holding it.
Hey, Dad, that is mine. So can I hold mine?
Hold up.
No.
I know you see it. Say what? I know you see. I paid. I paid.
I like it. They're so bumpy.
Yeah. Whoa.
All right.
Boiling corn from the garden. Is it really good? Okay, I think it's really good.
Mm.
You have anything to say? I want some.